Most people invest in stocks by reading news, opinions, and long financial reports. But what if you could just ask an AI instead? So I connected an AI assistant to real company financial data using Spotera. I'm adding a new connection so Claude can access trusted financial information. Then I was taken to a secure login page to connect my account. After logging in, I was sent back to Claude, and the connection was ready. So I asked something simple that any investor would ask. Instead of guessing, it looks at Apple's latest earnings, cash, and overall financial strength. And here's what it found. AI becomes much more powerful when it can actually look at real financial data. So instead of spending time reading long and complicated financial reports, you get a simple, easy to understand answer based on real company numbers. This means you can ask questions about any stock in plain English. This is how investing feels when AI actually reads the financial data for you.